Knees leaks and running whoops and lower back pain and pelvic pain, constipation, rounded shoulders, postural issues. All of these are quite common, but they're not physiologically normal. And there's so much that you can do to help yourself at this stage of life when you're in midlife that's going to serve you for the rest of your life. The reason I made womenswellbeing.me is to be a one-stop shop for perimenopausal women so they can come and get the fitness and exercises and the yoga that they need to live their best lives. I'd love to be part of your wellbeing journey.